Hello everybody, and welcome back to another math learning video. Today I brought you guys this problem here, and we are told to solve it without using a calculator. So what is the problem? The problem is square root of 28 over square root of 7 plus square root of 28. So, and we need to solve this without using a calculator. So let's start. So first thing that you might think of doing is you might think of canceling out the square root of 28 here and the square root of 28 here, but you cannot do that because in order to do that, this square root 28 here has to be multiplied to this square root of 7, but it's being added, so you cannot just cancel it out like that. So what should we do instead? Well, do you notice a similarity between the square root of 7 and square root of 28 here on the bottom? 7 is a factor of 28, right? So, using that information, we can rewrite the square root of 28 in terms of 7. So, what is square root of 28? So this square root of 28 is going to be equal to square root of 7 times 4, right? So, in case you didn't know this about square roots, we can rewrite the square root of 7 times 4. This can be written as two different square roots. So, square root of 7 times square root of 4. And this is the exact same thing. So, we can rewrite our square root of 28 here as square root of 7 times square root of 4. But we can go even further because what is square root of 4 equal to? Square root of 4 is equal to 2, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4. So instead of square root of 7 times square root of 4, we can rewrite as 2 times square root of 7. Right? So we can rewrite our square root of 28 as 2 times square root of 7. So now I've rewritten our new equation in this new form, and here I color coded to let you know that this square root of 28 turned into this and this square root of 28 turned into this. So now what can we do further? So if we look at the denominator, we can see that both of these terms here have square root of 7, right? So imagine if this square root of 7 were like an x, so imagine for a second that square root of 7 is equal to x. So we can do that square root of 7 or x plus 2x. And that would obviously be 3x, right? So we can apply the same logic to square root of 7. So this is kind of like 1 times square root of 7. And we can rewrite it as square root of 7 plus 2 square root of 7 is equal to 3 square root of 7. So that is equal to that. And now we are almost done with our problem. We have our 2 square root of 7 over 3 times square root of 7. And unlike the beginning where we could not cancel out these square root of 28s because this square root of 28 is being added, here these square root of 7s here are both being multiplied, which means that we are able to cross them out from the top and bottom because it's being divided by each other, and any number divided by itself is 1. So to get our final answer, we will get 2/3. So this is our final answer from this problem here. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.